In this spacemaker video, we're going to be looking at some of the modeling tools and how to edit stuff using the wall tool. So, simple one we're going to use today is just the polygon building tool. So, if we're just doing this in 2D, you can snap to certain points of the site. So that's kind of nice, and you can type in the amount you want, and of course, finish it. And then draw this out at the 90-degree angle you can see here. Here's the angle, and here we get that just right. We can be at 90 degrees, and then we can type in 24, and then I'll just close that up. And again, trying to get to that 90 degrees. Yeah. So here is our polygon modeling building that we have accurately put together. And here I'm just going to take this up, say 3 meters. So it's just one floor, and sort of do this so it's a bit easier to understand some of the other modeling tools here. So typically what you can do with this tool is you can use the move tool and you can move it around your site, and again you can snap it as needed. You can also rotate when you do the rotation tool. It gives you a little tip here on how to rotate. So if I go and grab that corner and then that corner, you can see I can rotate it around I don't know, 2 to 5. Now when we double click it, you'll see there's a few more features. So we can see the dimensions here. We can move this around as needed. So that's kind of nice. And we can make adjustments. What I want to do though is, with that double clicked, is use this tool, which is the draw walls tool. And here I can go and draw this wall between here and here to break that up. So there's a nice little feature here that will break it, and then we can go and use this tool to reduce that back a little bit. So a handy tool should you want to get into more detail and draw walls across your building. What I could do now is crank that up to 9, go to 3D, and other tools you can do is you can split into stories as well. So really simple, easy to use point and shoot tool, and you can see the snaps work great there. There is one other one to show here, and this is where you might be working with this linear building, and you'll see these come up. So you can actually add a section to break the building up a little bit here. So this works with this line edited building, but you can break up the design. Here we can also add a point, and you just need to be down here and you'll see that point tool come up. So adding a point, you can start to do this if you do it very carefully, and you can start to break up the building a bit more. So just to recap, some modeling features here where we're going with the polygon building, and we can grab those items and draw walls to break that up. Other features, we can crank up the height and then split that, pull that out even more, and then split that into stories. And then finally with the line editor building, we can go through, grab those components, split the section, or use this add point tool, which is probably a little bit more interesting to use, but you can start to break up your geometry in a lot more detail.